Welcome student. Today we prove an important theorem of connectedness. Statement of theorem is an infinite set with cofinite topology is connected. Let X be an infinite set, and tau be a topology on X and tau be a cofinite topology on X. Tau be a cofinite topology on X. Now we have to prove that topological space X tau is connected. We have to prove that topological space X tau is connected. We prove this theorem by contradiction method. So we suppose on contrary that X tau is not connected. Suppose on contrary that X tau is disconnected. Then by definition of disconnected space, there exist two open sets A and B such that now we apply the definition of disconnected space. A intersection B is equal to phi and A union B is equal to X. This is our equation number 1, equation number 2. Now we just applied the definition of disconnected space or disconnected set. From 1 we can write A intersection B whole complement is equal to phi complement. Here we take complement on both sides of equation 1. Now left hand side can be written as A complement union B complement, and right hand side phi complement is equal to X, ground set X. We write it as A complement union B complement is equal to X. This is our equation number 3. Now since A and B are two open sets in X and X is cofinite topology, which implies A complement and B complement are finite. Since A and B are open, open sets in X and X is finite and X is cofinite topology. And X is cofinite topological space, which implies A complement and B complement are finite. The reason is X is cofinite topology and A and B are open sets in X. Therefore, A complement and B complement are finite. Now, if A complement and B complement are finite, then we can write A complement union B complement is also equal to finite, because union of two finite set is again a finite set, which implies as A complement union B complement is equal to X, from equation number 3 we can write that A complement union B complement is equal to X, which implies X is finite. X is finite. Reason is A complement union B complement is equal to X. Now X is equal to finite, but this is our contradiction because X is an infinite set. So this contradiction arises due to our wrong supposition, which is a contradiction which arises due to our wrong supposition, arises due to our wrong supposition. And wrong supposition is that we suppose that X tau is disconnected. So X tau disconnected is our wrong supposition, which implies X tau is, and that is our wrong supposition is we suppose that X tau is disconnected. This is our wrong supposition. So due to our wrong supposition, a contradiction arises which implies X tau is connected. Here X tau is disconnected. This is our wrong supposition, which implies X tau is connected space, and hence prove the theorem.